Hi guys, welcome back to another live trading series. I don't have many plays to do today, so I thought I'd film for you guys my first time doing a Tesla spread. I'm thinking of doing a 24 to sell the 2450 and buy the 2500 spread. Let's take a look at where Tesla is right now. I'm very afraid of doing this because, like, let's say right now it's 2268 and I'm gonna do a 0 date to expiration, so it'll expire today. But to be honest, like, this is just an 8% move, and Tesla can do an 8% move today. So I am a little worried. I do like taking risks, so let's just take the risk. I do want to make some money, but I'm only going to be doing 5 spreads. So let's take a look. I have it queued up here. I hope you guys can see this. I'll zoom in if I can. I'll be selling the 2450 call, and I'll be buying the 2500 call for protection. I won't be able to do my normal like 50 contracts just because the spread and the margin requirement would be so high. So I'm just doing 5. The price right now is around $67, $68 per contract. Let's see what happens. If I sell this, sell to open, 2450, 2500 vertical at 355 US. Let's just take one more look. Can we do this? I think I'm willing to take this risk. Let's see what happens. I am a little worried, but I don't want to keep playing SPY and maybe Apple. I don't want to like bore you guys by showing you the same thing every week, so I just want to try something a little different. Let's send this order. Hopefully it gets filled. Oh, okay. It did get filled. Wow. Now I'm scared. If we see Tesla, and I'm already down by 40 bucks, but what can you do there? It moves so often. Now, another thing I want to do, even though it's not the end of the month, I was hoping to give you guys an update, but if I just show you, if we focus on everything here on my cash secured puts, everything highlighted, these are the ones still open. Everything that has a realized income, these are the ones I sold and these are the ones I closed off. So hopefully maybe I'll wait till Monday just to show you how much money I've made in the month. Right now I have around 180,000 tied up, which is all of the cash I have. So these are the cash secured puts. I haven't done this trade yet. I want to do this one right now, workhorse. I want to do this one right now in front of you guys. I do like the premium. I don't mind holding it at the 1450 strike. Right now it's around 1650. I'll do 5 contracts, hopefully getting around $1, $1.10. So if I do that now for you guys, click here, see it's going down, no big deal. So if I do the September 18th, so I think 3 weeks, if I get around $1.10, $1.15, I would be okay. So if we do 5 contracts, selling a put, let's choose the price. Must be increments of 5. Okay, I just want to get this one filled. $550 for 3 weeks. Change in buying power. Okay, I hope I don't go over my margin requirement, but I think I'm fine. If we do this, it gets filled right away. Let's take a look. Let's see what that looks like. How come it's not popping up? Here it is. So we have 5 here. We got it filled. Let me just update this. Yeah, this is the exact amount we got. Minus, I think, like $5 commission. Like, I'm not going to change that here, but this is inaccurate. I need to update this for exactly how much I made. This is taking the total income, but obviously I'm closing them. Some of them I'm closing early, so I'm not making this entire amount. So I'll fix that. I usually get around 1.8 to 2.2% per month. That's what I've been averaging. But yeah, let me come back. I'll stop here. Let me come back at the end of the day. I'll show you what happened with my Tesla spreads. Hopefully I don't have to manage it. Hopefully it expires worthless. So I'll see you guys in 5 hours. Okay, we're back. It's the end of the day. Don't mind my swaying blinds. I was just trying to fix the lighting. Let's take a look at Tesla. It ended up expiring. It ended up closing at 22.13. That means my spread ended up expiring worthless because I sold it. I wanted to expire worthless. Let's take a look at it here. If you can see here, it says August 28th. That's today. I sold the 2450 and I bought the 2500 for protection. I bought 5 contracts. You can see here they're both worth a penny. I paid $145 and $70 here. Ended up making $375 total. Not bad for a day's work. This is my first time doing a Tesla spread. I am scared because Tesla moves a lot. Tesla can definitely move. You know, what was this? It was only 8%. Tesla has done 15-20% in a day. So I was a little afraid. I did want to play something different for you guys other than SPY, because I guess that gets kind of boring because you know what I'm already going to do there. Tesla might be more appealing, especially after the split. If you can see here, it says splits. I guess August 31st, that's Monday. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you guys can do some spreads of your own. Check out my video on Monday. I do have a collab coming out where I'm going to be teaming up with Investing for the Common Man. The YouTube creator is named Luke Baker, but that's his channel, Investing for the Common Man. We're each doing a separate little breakdown of put credit spreads, and it'll be coming out Monday, maybe 8 a.m., maybe 9 a.m. We'll see. I do want to show you guys another play that I did. SLV, we have a couple covered calls. If you remember over here, I wasn't able to film it. I just did it off camera. I ended up getting assigned 300 SLV shares at $25. What's good about getting assigned shares you don't mind holding on to is that you can turn around and sell covered calls on them. So that's what I've been doing. So take a look here. This is all in August. I got assigned 3 weeks ago. I ended up selling 3 covered calls at $168. It ended up expiring. Well, I closed it off. You see here the realized income. This is $7 less. This is my commission because I wanted to close it off on Friday and reopen it. So, you know, minor loss here, but I made $168 US. It didn't hit $26. That was the strike I was trying to sell at. And then I did it again for 26 strike. I made $117. And then again, it closed at, if we go here, SLV, closed at 25.61. So it's hovering near my strike where I want to sell it at, but it's not hitting. So I sold another one for $159. So take a look at this. All 3 of these, $444 just selling covered calls. If you just want to break down, so my investment is $7,800 in the 300 shares. So I made $440. And if we just take this as a percentage of what I'm invested, this is the wrong thing. If we turn it into a percent, this is 5.64% in 3 weeks. That's amazing. If we take into account, if let's say we do close it off, like I do want this to get sold at 26 and I'll make $300. That means $740 total. I'll be making 9.49% in just 3 weeks. So this is what I like about selling covered calls. I have been getting lucky that it's expiring close to the money, close to my strike, but not fully. You know, I don't mind holding on to these shares. I do want to get rid of them eventually, but I do want to sell it at the 26 strike. I don't want to sell them at my cost basis of 25. I don't want to choose that strike because then I won't be making any money. Like here, if I sell $1 more on 300 shares, I'll be making an extra $300. So I think that's it for today. Nothing exciting, nothing special. I'll be doing an August update just to show you how much money I made in August and as a percentage of my portfolio and how much money I made on each strategy. I do 3 strategies: verticals, cash covered calls, covered calls, and cash secured puts. So tune into that video next week. That's all for today, guys. Thanks.